API Gate Valve. Its structural features include the following: meets the requirements by advanced domestic and foreign standards, featured by reliable seal, excellent performance, and attractive. The sealing surface between gate and seat adopts the overlay welding with iron-based alloy or stellite cobalt-based hot alloy, which is featured by resistance to abrasion, high temperature, corrosion and scratch, as well as a long service life. Its stem has gone through the treatment of quenching, tempering and surface nitriding, thus featured by strong resistance to corrosion and scratch. It adopts the wedge flexible gate structure. The middle and big ball type is provided with a rolling bearing, therefore has small friction and is easy for on and off. It can adopt various standards-related pipe flange and flange sealing surface types to meet various engineering needs and customer requirements.